Oh shit, I was muted this whole time. So yeah, what I was saying before here is that I was looking for a break of these highs on the 30, and then I have a sell stop here on the break of these lows targeting this wick fill. So let's see if we can get that here. If we do break the lows now, should be a pretty high chance here we get
order filled.
There we go. Yep, that's what I need right there. Stops put up here. So I'm just pretty much risking the whole account on this trade. It's a combine. So yeah, let's see. We did break the lows now with a lot of volume in the market, so should give us some room to fill this wick right here. Should be nice. Should be a nice move. Let's see. Okay, here I'm gonna go break even now. And if we hit TP or break even, risk-free trade now, so W for that. So let's see what happens. Because if we come down here now and we reject, then I'd rather be out than be in. So whichever happens here. We definitely have a lot of volume in the market as well. So
order filled.
There we go. Break even hit. So W trade for that. Let's see what happens here for Goldie. See if it continues towards that wick fill or not. Let's see if this was a good opportunity to go break even or what. Yeah, so right here you will see now after trying to attempt to fill this wick, if we start to pull back now, we'd be in drawdown here. So this is the reason why I went break even. And the reason why I go break even when we're about to hit the TP, right? Because if we reject off that area, like it's pretty much like 1 pip away. It could easily come back up and break the highs, but let's see here what we do with Goldie. Could also come back down now. Yeah, if he breaks these lows, that would be full TP hit. So let's see. It's kind of trolling right now. It's up and down. It's flipping. It's coming down. Almost rebreaking the lows. Coming back up. We also got in a 1 hour closure here in 18 minutes. So let's see what we can get for that. The 1 hour looking good to come down as well. So we could reattempt these sales if we get some nice closures here on the 15 and 1 hour. The 15 looks clean as well if we close below here. Let's see, 30 minute. We could get some sort of 30 minute celery if we don't push down. So that will also be something good we could look for. Just gotta wait. Let's see chat here. Gold is kind of ping-ponging around right now, up and down. This 15-minute closure is definitely looking like we're going to close back in this 15-minute range here. Nothing for that. I'm rejecting a lot off here as well on the 15. Tapped in here 3 times now. And can't seem to break the lows of that. And we close doji. All right. So let's see what this 30-minute has in store for us. We could still close above here, and the buys would pretty much be nice. Like today, London session, we got clean ranges for buys and sells here. So we're just gonna wait and see what it will give us. So this was a good break even. It was kind of a like when you get this close to TP. Actually, TP was 31 pips, right? So when you get that close to TP, you might as well just close, or not close, but you might as well go break even. If it was an XFA, I would have closed, but since it's a combine, I need that exact amount. I just 1 pip away, I just held there. But let's see, this 15 can come down, close below here, and that's the 1 hour 30-minute also closing below. Be money sells, or a closure above as well would be money, because that's the 1 hour 30-minute and 15-minute also closing above. So either or here would be nice. Alright, coming down now. Man, it kinda hurts to speak here today because of the wisdom tooth removal. I stopped taking the the ibuprofen, because there's no point at this point, but just pain. I'm trying to see here. Does not taking painkillers speed up the healing process? All right. Guess I have to take some. Oh shit, we're coming back down here now. Yeah, nice. Let me go get some yogurt and take these painkillers. Alright, so I'm back. Got some mashed peas, mashed potatoes, some yogurt, salmon. Got it all. Let's see here. Oh yeah, man, wow, look at that. Look at that bleeder. Wow. That thing is gone. Well, W, you're in the direction here today. much to remove here. 80 pips from the entry. Not bad. Alright, 1 minute left here. Let's see if we'll get that closure. see here. Let's say there's a decent closure here.
What?
Good morning, Malaka.
What a bleeder, Malaga.
Mm-hmm.
You closed full.
Nah, I got hit BE.
Oh.
But it's all good.
I was waiting for the breakout above, but
I heard your alarm go off.
yeah, but I would miss it, Malaga, if I got it.
Oh, wow, look at that. It's just coming down, no top wick either. It was like one pip away from my TP, and then I went break even. And then it came back and hit my BE. But I'm like, should I have gone BE there? I think so, right? Like, you're one pip away from your target.
Yeah, in this case, I would be also like one pip away from target. Like, you don't want to see a loss after one pip away from profit. But to me, I try to keep Bree as technical as I can. Like, I need most of the times to have a technical reason on the chart.
Yeah.
What are you eating, Malaga?
I just ate mashed peas. Now I'm eating mashed potatoes with yogurt.
The tooth is better day.
Nah. It's very swollen and painful.
Let's see here. Oh, Malaga, this range.
Right now, there's nothing for me. But if we get maybe a support near here, it's not looking bad. Like, we could take some buys off that.
Yeah, I don't think we're gonna see any breakouts, Malaga. Look at that thing bleeding.
Have you heard what's happening in the U.S.?
No, what happens again?
Something with Texas is invading California
What the fuck?
or something like that. Yeah. I'm not too
One
sure.
one county is attacking the other.
Mm-hmm. I think so. Let me search it up.
They're gonna have a friendly war.
Yeah, civil war maybe. So, here's what it says. If I open up this.
Continues to order National Guard.
After judge blocks California guard, Trump deploys Texas troops to Illinois.
Our troops to Democratic-run cities, prompting outrage from local leaders and lawsuits to prevent the unprecedented deployment.
Last night, a federal judge blocked the president from sending California National Guard troops to Portland, but now Texas troops are on their way to Chicago. Chris Wolf tracking developments in the newsroom. Chris.
Micah and
So something with the governor of California says that Trump rigged the election in Texas. And they said California will not sit idle as Trump and his Republican lapdogs shred our country's democracy before our very eyes. So it's kind of like they're going against the, Trump's words.
Yeah.
In that state, so he's sending troops over there now.
Crazy, Malik.
So it's like civil war kind of going on. right
Crazy.
now. Crazy times. Yo, PM, come on. Did you take these
Good
sales?
morning.
Took any of these sales right here? We're just bleeding.
Heavily though, look at that.
Mm-hmm. Okay, nice. Thank you, bro. You can stop by the Discord too if you like. We're just chilling in here for now. Alex was sleeping on the stream before. You could hear his alarm going off.
Really?
Yeah. I was like, man, I don't remember the exact tone, but you just hear it in the background, like an iPhone alarm. Ah, okay. You eating breakfast at work? Ah, nice. What do you have? Like the typical Danish breakfast, like the bread with the cheese and marmalade and stuff like that?
Mamalay! What is that?
It's like jam. Yeah. And a chocolate, nice. As the Danish people in the morning, they like eating bread. They like eating like bread with butter, cheese, and then they have like pullik. So it's like you can have like stuff like that. Yeah, chocolate bars. It's a pålæg chocolate.
Kalimera PM.
You bought skyr with oats and honey. Yeah, nice.
Skyr, what is skyr?
It's like a yogurt. A low-fat yogurt.
Yeah, I'll be the stream for the. I'm gonna do New York.
Yeah. Pull up for New York.
There's no point opening now for London.
Mm-hmm.
I think it's gonna come like no trades.
Mm-hmm.
It's crazy how prices flowing from yesterday.
Yeah, PM, see you. Take care.
See you, bro. Come by for NY.
Yeah. Hopefully we'll get the other boys too. We'll get Janosch, AB, Cyper. I see you're 17 minutes for this 30-minute candle close.
I don't see any closure that I will like.
For me, I'm looking at the 15 here. If we get like a support, I won't mind taking those. Alex,
Yo,
have you tried the cloud gaming yet?
nah, man, like I forgotten. I'll try to do today. Actually, I have some time to NY, so when I drink my coffee, I can search it.
I see. But you have the account already, or did you not make it yet?
No, I have it ready.
You just have to... What is it you're trying to figure out? The Steam stuff?
I need to buy a game from Steam and then try to load it from the G. That's what I need to do.
Yeah, GeForce Cloud.
But I can download the free game like Fortnite to see how it plays at start.
Yeah. How do you use GeForce Cloud Gaming on Mac? Or are you gonna do it on your TV?
Mac. I don't know if it's gonna be playable though when you see the latency.
Let's see. I'm gonna watch a video here. See how it looks.
Så er der fødselsdagsfest i punkt 1 med gaveregnende gode tilbud. Køb for eksempel et Samsung TV til kun 2.999. Eller en AEG vaskemaskine til kun 3.499. Se alle tilbudene på punkt1.dk eller kig forbi din lokale punkt 1, så er der råd.
Nobody told me Mac gaming could be this good. Seriously, why is no one talking about this? I bought my first Mac 2 years ago, and while it was the best laptop I've ever used, not a single game I wanted to play ran on it. Path of Exile 2? Nope. Cyberpunk? Nope. Counter-Strike? Yeah, nah. Rocket League? Doom? The list goes on and on and on. I ended up selling my MacBook to build a Windows desktop so I could get some of that sweet, sweet high FPS gaming that's just so satisfying. And while no regrets on the desktop, I'm not gonna lie, once you taste that Mac hardware, it's hard to go back. I really missed having a laptop, and had I known then what I know now, I'm not sure I would have even built my desktop. Now, Path of Exile 2 runs great. Cyberpunk, yep. Rocket League, Counter-Strike,
Crazy.
Doom, no sweat. And is that 120 frames per second on a MacBook Pro? You bet your sweet butt it is. What is this wizardry he speaks of? Is he a witch? Let me show you what I'm doing, how I got here, and why I think this changes everything moving forward, or at least justifies my last 3 MacBook returns. This is GeForce Now. It's a service where you basically rent a video card from NVIDIA. It runs the games in some remote location
looking
and
at the stream,
mirrors that
Alex?
gameplay on your screen.
Yeah, why?
You can have the wimpiest
Are you
of
are you
computers,
seeing the
but
video?
as long as you have decent internet speeds, you can play Cyberpunk or Alan Wake
Why?
2 or whatever the latest, most
'Cause
demandingly
see,
graphical game there is.
you can
without
do it
your
easily on
computer
the
igniting
MacBook.
or sounding like a helicopter taking
Yeah, no,
off.
no.
It's nuts. Now, if you
What do
have
you mean
a wimpy
easily, though?
computer, there still are bottlenecks to how good the gameplay will be.
Yeah, let's hear
Things
this.
like your computer's resolution, screen refresh rate, etc. But the fact that it doesn't matter if you're on a Windows computer, a Mac, or something else, which I'll mention in a minute, makes this service a complete game changer. It allows you to play almost every game you
'Cause
want,
he didn't-
and you
he
can
doesn't
do it
say
in
there's any
incredibly
delay on
high
the-
quality without building an expensive computer yourself. So
What's up?
It doesn't say it has any delay.
That's what he said.
That it doesn't have.
Yeah, it's like it runs smooth. Let me put this.
It
food
depends
away.
on your connection. Like if you have a good connection, it will run smooth.
Okay, let me put this food away and I'll be right back.
Yeah. Malaka, the forks.
Jeg skal skrive top.
Yo, Dennis. Good morning. Welcome to the chat.
W's, Dennis is in.
Use.
Golden.
All right. If this 30-minute here closes above this support and the 15 closes above, I'm gonna have some buys here. It won't be that bad, right? Like, and all I'm gonna be telling you is 31 pips on this XFA, or no, combine. I mean, you want to get it mixed up.
You're not trading the XFAs yet.
I might take it on the XFA here as well, but let's see. All depends.
So this one, the previous one, you didn't pass the combine.
Yeah, the previous one I just took here was a break-even trade.
Ah, no, Malaka.
I was one pip away from passing the combine. Close. That was a close one.
So if you've been following my journey,
Let's see.
you'll see that I've been bouncing around different laptops lately. MacBook Pro, which has a 120 hertz screen, and while this YouTube video is only limited to 60 frames per second, which means you can't experience this game how I'm experiencing it right now, but let me tell you, it's buttery smooth at 100.
But Malaka, he says that the only limitations is the computer's like hertz. So if you have like good computer like hertz, you should be fine.
What is hertz?
Like the refresh rate, like 120 hertz, 60 hertz, 240 hertz. What computer do you have? What MacBook?
M1 Air.
MacBook Air?
M1 though, M1.
Yeah, but the Air or the Pro?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's see, refresh rate. 60 hertz.
Nothing.
I mean, it's basic. It's not bad at all though. It's not like you need it to be like. I mean, 120 is the sweet spot, but 60 is not bad. I have 240, which is like the top. Anything above that is like, it's crazy. You know what I mean?
Mm.
But like 60 is, you know, like you're playing it on like maybe 1080, maybe 720p. The quality, the graphics, I think.
I'll download the game today and see like
Yeah.
if it's good.
We gotta test out and see if it works. Cause that would be very cool if it does. And wow, gold pumps so fast. Holy. We might close bullish on this 30, which is crazy.
Crazy. How many peeps is the stop loss, man? Like it's like 250 peeps.
Yeah, like I would
That's
like for this
crazy,
15
right? Crazy
to
peeps.
pull back a little. But let's see. Like right now, it's not looking like there's gonna be anything for a while. So let's see.
It's
what
the
we-
best conditions for you to pack out, like.
Yeah, like for me to take a trade on my combine, it has to be very good conditions because you don't want to blow it, you know? Especially when you're halfway.
That's crazy. Give me 2 minutes, I'm gonna be back. I have a phone call.
Okay. Let's see here. Oh, then they've been updating this game. Alright, let's see. It's not looking bad here for 5 minutes left. Like this closure right here is not going to be bad at all. I just need to see a pack runner. I think that would be the best case scenario here. The 15 grabs the pack. And then we have a little top wick to break. And take the buys. That's probably what I'll be looking for here. Because if we take now a look at the 4 hour, we pretty much came down to top targets here. We like got very near that support. We still don't have that steep of a top wick, so 1 hour could flip as well. So it's looking pretty nice for those buys if we do get them. If we don't, if we close below this white line or close weak, I'm just gonna wait here. Battlefield is out today. I'm like thinking, should I get it? But it's like kind of expensive though. I'll see if I can get a discount because I don't know if you guys know there's something called CD keys where you can get it a decent amount of discount here. Yeah, Battlefield 6. 30% off. Let's see here. See, we need it for PC here. We got pre-order bonus for Xbox, Battlefield 6, Xbox. Let's make it PC. See if they have any for Steam. They do. Alright. So that's the price there, not bad. And let's see if we do EA app as well. The EA app, you only get 3% off. That's crazy. Yeah, so the Steam is probably the best option here, 20% off. But it's not even out yet. It's coming soon. Alright, 2 minutes. Might get something here. So this trade here, if we get it, is gonna be this 30 rejecting off that support, this 15 creating a support, this 1 hour having room to flip, and same goes for the 4 hour, right? 4 hour having room to flip. Daily almost filled the wick here, so if we pull back now, it should come up. So that's pretty much what this buy here is gonna be based off if we do get it. I just need to see some sort of like lower wick tapping into here. We probably don't need a pack runner for all the way up here. But like a top wick getting formed first and then a lower wick and then a break of the highs, and yeah. It's gonna be pretty money because all I need is 31 pips on this trade. So nothing too crazy.
Look, something.
Not yet. There's 1 minute left for the closure. Let's see if we can get the closure to be good or what's gonna happen here. I'd like for it to pull back a little bit here, to not close that all the way up there.
Pull back a little bit.
Let's see. Yeah, pull back gold. There you go, pull back. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. This area right here, like close right here, is perfect.
Oh.
And if you just pause the charts, like no movement at all for 20 seconds, then
The charts.
perfect closure.
It closed in 20 seconds.
Yeah. 10 now. Oh, my lack of painkillers. I didn't know they were that effective. I took them like 30 minutes ago and it's like I'm not in pain anymore. Alright, we created a little top wick. Let's come down, give us a decent bottom wick here. And we'll have buy stops. One more push down here. Can we get some more? Yeah.
Kill me. One more push down.
One more push down.
Order filled.
Oh, Malaka, we're already in. It's a quick trade here. Waterfield. Alright. Let's see what we can do. Once we fill this wick, that's break even for me right there. Once we fill the wick. So let's see, chat.
50 or 30 onion?
15.
Malaka. I like the onions, Malaka, a lot.
Yeah. Well, this might be a stop out here. Because this could easily come down and fill this wick here. That is.
This is the 30.
Yeah, but let's see. If we re-break those highs,
Up.
we will go break even. Let's see. That's the only thing about this trade right here is that the 30-minute could, if we break these lows, probably fill this wick here. That's the only thing right there. The only risk in this trade.
Malaka, you're using the same playlist with Nick.
No, I just
Is
find
this-
random copyright-free music.
From YouTube.
Yeah, but a lot of them sound the same.
Yeah, Malaka, it's the same with the, like, it's very similar,
Yeah,
if not the same. It's probably AI generated or something, every
yeah,
kind of
probably.
that music.
All right, we're about to break these lows. Let's see. Will we respect them?
But it's good that you are risking, like, how much you risking?
900.
It's good that you are risking the whole account to make 1.5.
Yeah, the stops are at a good area here to not risk the whole account. Because if we do break these dirty lows, like you can easily see that we'll definitely probably try to tap this support here. So
Yeah,
better just to get out on the break of these lows if that does happen.
I agree.
And if we re-break those highs, that's the sign for me to go break even. So whichever one happens first. Break up the lows, I'm out. Break up the highs, I'm break even. Let's put
Up to
this.
now, it's holding though. It's like rejecting this low.
Yeah, let's see. Oh my, like I did the wrong.
Oh.
Order filled.
There we go. Oh my, like look at that. Barely like hit that. So that's
Wow.
out for there. Let's see. But we still have a lot left, so that's all good. Let's see what we do here now. Do we continue to come down after breaking those lows, which I think we will?
We should, right?
Yeah.
Oh, look, nice.
Now, if we do re-break those highs, I'm gonna have buy stops again because I'm gonna go full margin on this shit. Probably,
Yeah,
yeah,
this is a comeback.
I would say here that the entry I took in the beginning could be considered a little bit too early, but this is a nicer bottom wick if we break the highs. But I
Now,
was,
why don't you put your buy stops above the previous?
let me see.
Is-
Yeah, we can do that too, right here.
It's very close, right? It's
Yeah.
6 pips.
If we do re-break those highs, then boom. It's gonna be nicer. And that's probably where we're gonna get that push. But the
Yeah, it's
trade
gonna be the 30 breaking highs.
the trade I took before was more of an early trade because the bottom wick wasn't properly established. But let's see.
Yeah, but you might get an early trade as well because if it runs without the bottom wick.
Yeah, exactly.
It's a combine also, so.
Exactly. That's the whole point. Like the combine for me is more of a you gotta execute and execute on high risk for me at least.
But we don't see a lot of selling pressure. Like even if we broke the lows when it drove a bit, we didn't bleed or something.
I'm definitely like, if we break these highs now, it's gonna be like almost guaranteed here. I might take this on my.
With the 1 hour?
The 1 hour is doesn't have a top wick either. Let me go into MGC here for my XFA. Let's just see how big this tops are. Yeah, good for the MGC.
$60 pips.
All right. This is the 1 hour chart here. The 1 hour like looks good to flip.
Yeah, man, like the buys look good. And also 1 hour support to the left, which we are rejecting from.
Yeah. All right, and now it's time to do some math here. We have to figure out how much a TP has to be here for the combine to pass. So right now we have 685. 685.
But can you make more than 1.5 per day?
Opposite. 3,000 divided by 6. What was it? 685.
Malaka, we don't see your tabs. We see only trading. You open another tab and we see black.
Here. Oh, we're about to get activated here. All right. Let's see. Can you see what I'm typing or no? No, you can't see what I'm typing.
No, nothing.
But you can see
we can
these,
only
right?
see like, yeah, only the tabs, YouTube and stuff, but nothing you type.
Thinking. It's just 882. Let me just do it real quick. 882 plus 150. So 2,382. That's what I need to target.
To pass.
Yeah, that's what I need to make now.
So this is gonna be 1.5 per day, right? Still on your consistency.
Yeah, of course, because this drawdown, if I make 2,000 now, it's still, you know what I mean? The drawdown doesn't count. It's like...
Yeah, it's gonna be 1.5 a day.
Yeah. So on the 50K here, we're just risking the whole account, so no stops are gonna be placed. But on the XFA, we're gonna have stops below current candle low here. Yeah, everything looks good here. What will we get?
If you get that 15 seller, you're still holding the buys.
Yeah. Because the 30-minute is still open and the 30-minute is still looking clean. 30-minute and 1 hour looking still very good.
Yeah, 1 hour is looking very good. That it's basically retracing from support. How is the 4 hour looking?
Yeah, good too. It doesn't have a top wick, like very small top wick. So we could come up and break that.
I like the 4 hour though, because you see that rejection from the previous.
Yeah. If the 13 closes below, I'm gonna delete. And then we'll have to wait and see. Oh, you see that volume? Holy.
Yeah.
What just happened there?
Rejecting heavily the downside. Heavily.
Crazy volume there.
Bro, I've seen this as a pattern in many trades. Like when price goes in one direction, and then it goes to the other direction fast with volume, it's probably gonna be a flip to the other side.
Yeah. I agree. Like you come, like let's say you're creating this bottom wick, and then it just flips like crazy up. It's probably gonna
exactly.
pump.
After rejecting that bottom, but
Yeah.
it needs to reject it like with volume,
Yeah,
fast.
exactly.
That happens. It's probably a 99% win rate, man. Like that's gonna go the other direction.
But if it just comes and slowly breaks the highs without volume, it's usually not that good of a trade.
Yeah, I agree.
All right, 15. What will you do?
Malaga, you wanna get activated in position?
What do you mean?
Like, would you like to take this trade, or do you not mind of you not getting activated?
No, I don't mind if it doesn't activate.
But if you want a quick activation, just put the rocket.
Is it time for the rocket to get us in?
Fifteen close nice though.
Yeah.
And look now.
Boom. Rocket ship. The rocket never lies. Rocket.
That's even gonna be strong. Look at that. This is what we want to see from the rocket.
Don't ever doubt the rocket. When the rocket is placed, you already know what time it is.
You don't care about getting activated with no top bottom, okay? Just sell it, right?
Yeah, exactly. Exactly.
You see, like I'm starting to catch the moves, man. Like,
Starting to get a hang of the schmear.
I like the onion though, not the others. The onion, I love it, man. Like, but that's an onion, right?
Yeah, it's like a celery onion type of play.
Order filled.
All right, Malakis. We need like
Oh, dude, Phil.
200. Like what was it? 200.
2,100 something.
2,300. 2,300. Oh shit. And 82. so you might as well just go do 1,400. And I set the stops here on my XFA. Oh, shit. The micro. TP will be up here. There you go. Oh, there you go. Rocket. The rocket.
How much you risking on the XFA? 300.
Yeah, it's like a 1-to-1. Almost. Let's see. Like 55 pips to make 68 pips. So a little bit more than a 1-to-1. I'm risking like 290 to make 350 or something like that.
Yeah, okay. Perfect.
This will be the last trade of the London session right here. Whatever happens, happens.
It's beautiful Friday morning, Malaga. Ed is
Yeah.
gonna pass another account.
Also, if you look at the 1 hour, if we do end up flipping here, no doubt we're gonna push up. Like no doubt about it.
Well, if we flip, you need like look at that push that you need. You're gonna hit TP Malaga like in seconds. Like it's gonna be like poof,
Yeah.
TP hit.
So it's either we flip or we don't. Either or.
Your stops has below this 30. So if this 30 close support, then it's your stops is looking fire, Malaga.
Let us see. Let us see. Now we're getting that volume. So let's see if the volume will pay out.
Malaga, you forgot the rocket. You deleted it.
Oh, Malaka, what the hell? I was here. The rocket has always been there. It's been in the shadows.
Ah, working low-key.
Undercover rocket. So once we flip on the 1 hour, that's break even for me there. Once we get that flip.
It's that 30-minute no topic, probably the flipper.
The 1 hour.
It's lying.
30-minute is a new candle here, but the 1 hour is still 9
Yeah, but
minutes
if you
left.
if you break your previous 30-minute highs, it's your 1 hour flip. That's what I mean.
Exactly.
Let's go, pump it up. You gotta pump it up. You know, pump it up.
Take a look here on the micro. Kind of like TP up here, kind of. Here we go, Malakas. Get ready for takeoff.
Rocket is gonna play, bro.
Get ready for takeoff, chat. The rocket incoming. It's moving a little bit slower than I'd like, but it's still moving in the direction we wanted to, so that's all good. Once we get that flip, I have a good feeling we get some volume in after that. Alright, that flip will bring us in a lot of volume.
Like you are already making like 650, almost all your loss back.
Yeah.
You increase risk on that.
No, I just do 5. Okay, we're about to flip here, chat.
There you go, Malaka. There you go.
Oh, this is Nick's playlist right here. I remember this song.
I'm telling you, Malaka, the songs are like.
Dun, dun.
This is an iconic song from Nick.
Yeah. All right, that's a flip right there. Break even. So no more risk on the table, chat. That's the beauty. Let's go to the XFA as well. Put break even. Now we just wait. Now we just wait and see. This is the 1 hour about to flip. If the 1 hour doesn't flip here, then I don't want to be in it. There we go. Ah, that's what I'm talking about. Now we're getting that volume in on that flip. And we should easily tap that target. Like now it's just easy money from here on out.
Order field.
Come on.
From here on
We
out.
know you want
Order
it,
field.
dude. We know you want it. We know you want to hit that target. One more push. One more push. Uno más. Come on. Come on, you're right there. What is that? What is that? Pause. It's trolling us. It is trolling us today. It's a little trolly troll.
Ella, Malaka, one break of the highs, you are done.
Yeah. One break of the highs, and we're gonna be out of that trade. Let's take a look at how we're looking on the XFA here. We're looking Gucci on there too. We're looking shmoney.
You're targeting this 1 hour resistance.
Yeah. But we're about to close here. So if we actually just push up to here, I won't mind closing there as well, because there's 5 minutes left for this candle. We're like right there as well. Look at that.
Order filled.
Hey, and that's another account passed. That's how you do it. Another account. Oh my God. Another account in
It's
the
more than
books.
53.
Yeah.
Nice, Malaka, let's go.
And yeah,
Order
we're out here
filled.
too. So made 250 on the XFA and passed another account. What more could you ask for? You feel me? Another beautiful London session here today, chat. And that's one profitable day on the new XFA. 4 more to go to get the combine. Or to get a payout, I mean. So yeah, that's gonna be it for London session here. Hope you guys caught some pips. If you did, spam some W's in the chat. But that's gonna be it for me here today for London. And we'll come back for NY with 2 new XFAs, or 1 new XFA. Malaka, beautiful, huh?
Yeah, bro. Happy nice, very nice week for you, bro.
Yeah.
Happy days, man. That's
Like,
nice.
look at that move. Like, how many pips did I just catch there, too? That was like a 52 pip catcher.
Nice, nice, nice one. Nice statues this week, Malak.
Yeah. Let's mark this up for the
Very nice statues.
stream. Alright, that's it for the stream here. I'm gonna end it.